am Mr. Fuller, or Mason. You can call me whatever. But I am here to talk to you guys about the order of operations and PEMDAS, which I will get into here in a second. So, PEMDAS is like your parentheses, your exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, okay? So here, let's write that out. P E M D A S. And so parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? Now, how I remember this is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and that has to be, it's supposed to be in order for an equation. So if there's parentheses in an equation, you do your parentheses first. If there's exponents, then you do exponents. And then with multiplication, division, you do whichever one, it goes from left to right. So if there's multiplication at the beginning and then division at the end, you do multiplication, then the division. But if there's division first, multiplication, it's the same thing. You do your division first, then your multiplication. So let's try out an equation right now. Let's go 5 plus parenthesis 8 plus 10 minus 6. So parentheses are here, so we do parentheses first. 8 plus 10, 18. Just drop everything down. So then it would be 5 plus 18 minus 6. Now, you just go left to right. 5 plus 18, 23 minus 6. Now, that would be 17. That's your final answer. Alright, let's do another one. Let's go 6 parenthesis 8 plus 4 and parenthesis divided by 2. Alright, parentheses first, so it would go 6 12 divided by 2, but multiplication is first, so you got to put 6 times 12, which is 72. 72 divided by 2. So, what 72 divided by 2 is 36. 36, and that's your final answer. Okay? So, now, let's do maybe a little tougher one, huh? Let's go 5 squared plus 8 parenthesis 6 minus 4 and parenthesis times 6. Let's see. Yeah. So we're going to do parentheses first. So we're going to just drop everything down. That's 2. 5 squared plus 8 times 2 times 6. The dot is the same thing as multiplication of the x. So if you ever see the dot right there, it's the same thing. Alright, so parenthesis is still there. Okay, we're going to just have to go 8 times 2. So it's going to be 5 squared plus 16 times 6. Now, what's next? There's exponents, right? So exponents are next. 25 is 5 squared, which is 5 times 5, plus 16 times 6, alright? Now, we don't just go straight to addition, there's multiplication in here first. So first you gotta go 16 times 6, which is 96. So it would be 25 plus 96, which is 121. All right, and that would be your final answer, okay? So, here, let me do this again. So, let me write down PEMDAS again. So to help you remember it, I always do please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So you can always remember it that way. But it'll be parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And they go in order until, so this one always first, okay? Exponents, number 2. Multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction, they go together. You don't have to do one before the other. It just, like you're reading left to right, you would have to do division first if it's on the left in an equation. But same thing with addition, subtraction. If addition is first, you do addition. If subtraction is first in the equation, you subtract. Okay? Hope this video helped someone today.